Hello, welcome to the Aquacut video channel. My name is Stuart and today we're going to be looking at producing logos, corporate logos for companies. It's something that we do a lot of and we bring into play a number of our different services and techniques that we can offer our clients to create really stunning logos. Here we've got a large format tile, and because it's very thin we've bonded it to another tile, so some bonding. We've then Waterjet cut the logo, which is the ink with the dot above the eye, and we'll be doing some etching to create texture and colour shade change around the ink as well. So we're in the middle of that process. So these are the throwaway bits that we've cut out, as you can see, but they are in there for the moment to help protect it from the etching technology that we use. So we'll follow the whole piece of work through the production process and show you the finished product.
Hi, my name's Dan. To follow on from Stuart's introduction, this is our finished logo. As you can see, we have bonded the grey tile onto a dark tile and masked it up and etched off what you can now see being as the lighter blue-grey, and that is our finished product that we've finished to our high standards in our facilities.
Said, yeah, I just need to band it up.